Hello and welcome to Non-Credit Math 3 Decimal Numbers. I am Tanya Perrone, your instructor, and I'm going to walk through how to use the course so that way you can be successful. Here is the course homepage, the landing page, where you can find all the main course information. There's the course roadmap, as well as the sections to complete, quick links, and some instructor information to get a hold of me. Now with the course roadmap, my suggestion is to first go through the course syllabus and read it through entirely to get a sense of the course content and expectations and guidelines. To get started in the course, you'll go to modules, which you can click the link here in the course roadmap, or click the link in the left menu bar. When you go to modules, you will see all of the course content that you need. It gives you the entire text for the topic of decimals, as well as the text within each section. The text within each section is within this main text, just broken up into the 3 sections. With each section, you can see there is given a text, additional materials, which are the notes, the videos to go with the text and notes, and your homework assignment. When you click on the text for each section, if it does not open, do not worry. You can just click on the text 1 title and it will open it up in a new browser. This gives you the information and the text for each section. The text is supplemented with the section's notes, which are the additional materials. When you click there, it does open in a new downloads in a Word document. You can open the Word document and print it out or add to it as needed. These are the notes to go with the text for that section. Once you have looked at the text and the notes, there is also the videos to go with the notes that give you some information on how to solve the problems. Once you have finished the text and the notes, you can go to the homework. And there are homework problems anywhere from 10 to 15 problems to do for the homework. You will click start and you will see the problems. You get multiple attempts and it can regenerate questions that are similar to the one it gives you. If you are getting stuck, there is also video help for each question. Make sure you hit submit question when you are done. When you have finished the entire homework, make sure you hit the done button at the top for grading. Now for each section, once you have finished each of the notes and the homework assignment to go with it, you will go down to the very end where there is the practice test. The practice test is what shows me that you understand and can demonstrate your understanding of the topic on decimals. Once you have completed the practice test, I will be able to give you a pass or a no pass grade. I will then send you a message to let you know that you have successfully completed the course and that you can move on to other courses. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me. You can contact me through my email, through sending me a message through Canvas, which is the quickest way, or writing a message in the Q&A discussion. I wish you the best of luck with this course and good luck.